Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today we are making rosemary burgers. Now, I know you've never heard of that, but I'm making these burgers in honor of a good friend of mine's grandmother. And believe it or not, one day I was making something that I had never made before, and this little voice said to me, put these ingredients in. And I'm like, okay. Well, it turned out really, really good. These burgers basically have the same ingredients, so I decided to name them Rosemary Burgers. Now, you saw me put them up, so you saw them, what's in them, and they're got put into the freezer. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to check on the temperature of this pan. This is a cast iron skillet. Let's check. 450, 460, that's perfect. Okay. We're going to spray a little bit of, normally if this were beef I wouldn't even bother. But since it's turkey, we need to put a little tiny bit of something in there to prevent sticking. Okay. Now, I have a fish spatula because it does a really good job. There we go. It does a really good job of just carrying things from one place to another. Okay. Now, since these are not beef, they are turkey, they're poultry, they have to cook to a full 165F or 73.8 C. And as you can see, I have a thermometer to help me do that. I'm going to turn the heat down to medium so they don't burn. Put a top on them. You can sort of roast for a little bit. And they're back. Okay? And it's time to check the temperature on these. 161, 166, 169. Okay, it's time to turn these guys over. Now, while these were cooking, I thought you might want to know, we're not using mayonnaise or anything else like that to put on the buns. We're using something called toum, which is usually a mixture of olive oil and garlic. But because we're trying to be a little bit more health conscious, we're using low-fat yogurt and garlic base. And mix it together, and this is what we're going to be putting on the buns. And the buns, speaking of buns, we're using whole grain buns. These are skillet buns. We're using whole grain buns because turkey burgers have a tendency to be not extremely flavorful, unlike beef. So we're having to compensate a little bit. So we're going to put some of this lovely sauce on here first. Have a burger. And somebody challenged me and said that burgers should not have cucumbers. And I said, well, wait. Cucumbers are what pickles are made out of, right? So on these, we're actually going to put chopped cucumber mixed with mint. We're going to add a little bit of this lovely cucumber. Now, you know, some of you are saying, well, wait, what about the cheese? Is there no cheese? Of course there's cheese. This is feta cheese. Put a little bit of that on there. Don't need very much. And there you have a truly wonderful burger. And I can't wait to eat it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on The Good Plate. And remember, forever forward, forever flavorful. Yum, yum!